Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to carve text in Photoshop step by step. Create a new layer, right click, horizontal type tool, black, and type any text. Double click, then select text, right click on your mouse, wrap text and arcs, bend up and down, horizontal distortion, vertical distortion, style sense, flag, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.